Today is a lovely morning. Let's see what Brooke's up to. She's probably sleeping. Brooke, it's time to get up. Oh, she's sleeping. I might as well go make breakfast. Close her door, turn off the light, because she forgot to turn it off. Oh wait, she already turned off her light. Okay, it's time to go make breakfast. Okay, so what are we going to make for breakfast? Well, the twins aren't here, so I guess we'll just make Brooke some breakfast. Let's see. What are we going to make her for breakfast? I think we're going to start off with some pancakes. Okay, I think we're going to start off with pancakes. Let's make her some pancakes. Oh wait, I forgot. Brooke has summer camp today. I have to wake her up before she goes to go to school. We'll have to make her breakfast, and if she has summer camp today, then I have to get her from summer camp. Brooke, breakfast is ready. Okay, Mom. She's coming down for breakfast. Good. Oh, she likes burnt pancakes. Oh no, it's burnt pancakes. Oh no. Wait, is this a burnt pancake? Yes, it is. I have to make it all over again. Let's make pancakes again. Brooke, come downstairs. Sorry, breakfast got a little bit out of hand. I'm just going to make you bacon and eggs. I just make you bacon and eggs because I accidentally burnt your pancakes. Ha ha ha! Okay, Mom. Alright, I'm gonna make you some bacon and eggs. Let's see. Oh, let's close that. We don't need that open. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set it down. Okay, we're gonna fry the bacon and eggs. Okay, don't do it too much. Okay. And I think it's ready. And it's done. Almost ready. I'm gonna go read. Okay, Brooke. Well, Brooke, first can you wash the laundry? Can you wash the laundry before you go read? Okay, Mom. Oh, it's fine. You don't have to do it. It's okay, Brooke. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready, Brooke. I'm gonna get you something to drink. What would she like to drink? I'll give her some milk. Okay, Brooke, all your breakfast is ready. Eat up. You have summer camp. Wait, I wonder where Brooke is. Oh, she's probably doing the laundry. I should go tell her breakfast is ready. Oh, Brooke, breakfast is ready. Eat up. You have summer camp in a few. Oh, and thank you, honey, for taking... Wait, I do. Yeah, you do. You have to eat up soon, so you won't be late. But thank you for doing the laundry. I'm gonna go upstairs and get ready. Okay, once she's done eating her breakfast, then that's when we can head off to summer camp. Close the door. Okay, go ahead, change outfit. Let's go to my work outfit. Okay, I have to work today, and Brooke has summer camp today. So I guess we have two things to do. Brooke, are you done eating? Brooke, are you done eating down here? Almost. Okay, well, Mom has to work and you have school. Let me know when you're done. I'll be waiting. Almost? Okay! I'm done. Alright, come on, Brooke, let's go. You coming? Okay, I'm done. Coming? Alright, come on, let's go. Go ahead. Are you gonna ride your bike to school? Are you gonna ride? Look, Mom. Oh, look, it's an Amazon package. I'll take it in the house later, honey. Are you gonna ride your bike to school, or are you gonna take your scooter? Bike. Alright, well, I'll see you later, kiddo. And Mom's gonna go to work, okay? Take your bike. Have a good day. Okay. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Let me know if you want me to pick you up from school later. You too. Alright. Now that Brooke's off to school now, wait a minute. This must be that box that I ordered that I got Brooke some Robux. Oh no. Hopefully she doesn't find out that I got her some. Let's take this in the house. Finally it's in the house. Oh, it's 5:47 p.m. Brooke gets out of summer school at 6. It's almost 6. I have to go get her. Or I think she's going to ride her bike home. Anyways. Yep, I think Brooke's going to ride her bike home. Oh, it's 6. Brooke should be home by now. I think I'm going to call her. Brooke, are you going to be home soon? Are you riding your bike home, or do you need me to come and get you? Yes, Mom. Are you going to ride your bike home? I'm on my way now. Okay, see you when you get here, kiddo. Okay, so Brooke's on her way, and I took the package in already, and we're going to surprise her. Okay. And we're going to surprise her when she gets here. Oh, yeah, by the way, Brooke, the door is already open. Oh, I think that's Brooke now. Let's go see. Is Brooke here yet? Nope, I don't see her here yet. Hee. Hopefully she gets here soon. I'll just keep the door closed. I'll go upstairs in my room and relax until Brooke gets home. Until Brooke gets home, maybe that's when I'll surprise her. It's finally nice to be in some pajamas. I'll go ahead and lay down. Turn off the light and go to sleep. Hold on, I forgot to turn off this light. Oh no. Oh, it's off. Okay. Home sweet home. Oh, I think that's Brooke. Let's go see. Brooke, you home? That's weird. She'll usually be downstairs. Oh, she's in her room. Brooke, she's not in her room either? That's weird. Brooke! Oh, she's probably downstairs watching TV. You know, she had a long day at some... Brooke, where are you? What's this? Is she in here? Nope. Brooke, where are you, sweetie? Oh, she's not watching TV either. That's weird. Oh, there she is. Brooke, you scared me. Come on. Come in. Sorry. Oh, it's okay, Brooke. Come on, go upstairs to your room. I have a big surprise for you. there were a lot of cars. Did you be careful? Yep. Okay, I have a big surprise for you. Go to your room, okay? E. Go ahead. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna be giving Brooke a big surprise. Let's go upstairs to her room now. Brooke, I have a surprise for you. What is it? Well, if you go downstairs to the front door, I'll show you. Come on. Come on, let's go. Remember that package that you said that you seen at their door earlier? Yeah? Well, do you know what's in it? Nope. Okay, I'm gonna go show you. Come on. You can open it too. Come on. Go ahead, open up the door. Look at the front of it. What do you think it is? Roblox? Yeah, but open it and see. Open it and see. Robux! Yep, I got you 1 mil Robux. Do you like them? Thank you so much, Mom. Aw, you're welcome. Next time you go to school and those girls bully you because you don't have Robux, just tell them Mom got you 1 million Robux. Thank you. Aw, no problem, honey. Well, you have to get ready for summer school again tomorrow. Come on, let's go get ready for bed. Okay, come on, let's go get ready for bed. Oh wait, isn't your friend Claire supposed to be coming over tomorrow for math tutor? She could not make it. Aw, well it's okay. Well, do you want me to help you with math tutor? But what? What's wrong? She has been mean to me. Aw, well that's fine. Did you make new best friends at summer school today? No. Well, did anybody want to be friends with you at summer school today? They called me a nerd. Aw, it's fine. Come on, let's go upstairs and get ready for summer school tomorrow. Are you gonna ride your bike or do you need me to take you? I want you to take me. Okay, sure. Come on, let's go. Let's go get ready for bed. Turn off all the lights. Okay. Alright. Almost done? Almost done? Alright, come on, let's go. Yep. Alright, come on, let's go. Oh, one more. Alright. Come on, let's go get ready. Alright, come on, let's go. You sleeping in your room or do you want to sleep with Mom? Okay, mine. Okay. Alright, good night, honey. Hopefully your day is much better. You make new friends. Good night. Alright, good night. Alright, time to put on some pajamas. Oh, actually, let's go take a shower first. And maybe we can get all the dirt off. Oh, I think she's sleeping. I gotta be quiet. I thought she was sleeping. That's weird. Let's knock again. Huh? Honey, can I come in? Yeah.